Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. Next month, 8th and 9th, I'm planning to come to Bengaluru for a workshop. So those who are interested may subscribe to our workshop in Bengaluru. Contact our office. The contact numbers are given in the description. What a fantastic move, the market. The GST reduction came into force on September 22. Then from September 22 onwards, every day the Nifty was falling. I think it was falling for about 8 trading sessions. Then what happened? Market continuously moved higher and it was a fantastic rally of about 6% in the month of October. And after rising 6%, just 2 trading sessions, Nifty has fallen about 500 points. From last Thursday high to Friday's low, I think Nifty was down about 500 points. Today, again, rallied nearly 200 points and Nifty closed very near 26,000. Some important observations. Number one, I think around closing time, there was some news that foreign direct investment into PSU banks will be increased from 20% to 49%. So because of this, in the just last 15 minutes, the Bank Nifty shot up nearly 200 points. PSU Bank Index has shot up nearly 1.5%. And then all the public sector banks shot up more than 1-2%. All happened in the last 15 minutes. So that is one significant news. The second one, because the Russian oil purchase is being stopped, for the last 2 days, the Reliance Industries came under selling pressure. And today there was a huge short covering in Reliance Industries. I think Reliance Industries has moved more than 2% today. And that alone contributed for about 50 points rise in Nifty. And third, usually, after the market falling, if the market is trying to recover, the volatility index will collapse. But today, the volatility index has shot up more than 10%. So that is an unusual behavior. And not only that, tomorrow is the monthly expiry. And look at the Nifty future. Nifty future is trading at a premium of around 60 points just for tomorrow expiry. But that is not the great thing. The great thing is that the Bank Nifty also expiring tomorrow, I think the Bank Nifty future premium is more than 150 points. So that is because I think the news that came in the last 15 minutes, so people are looking for some kind of extension of banking stocks rally tomorrow. So meanwhile, European markets are looking good. US futures are higher and US markets closed at all-time high on Friday. And now again, it is significantly moving higher. And US, the Magnificent Seven, some of those stocks like Apple, Amazon, Google, so they are all coming out with results this week. So US markets will see a bigger action. So here, last 5 trading session, Nifty went up 500 point, came down 500 point, recovered 200 point, So our market is going all over the places. Tomorrow is the monthly expiry. So the bulls are hoping that Nifty will close above 26,000 as long as there is no profit booking happening in US markets tonight. So if this news is correct, and then it's a very big positive news for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has also been equally volatile. Last 2 trading sessions, Bank Nifty has fallen 500 points each day. So total 1,000 points. And today, the Bank Nifty shot up 500 points. And so we have been seeing that Bank Nifty has been performing very well. But FMCG index is not doing well. Today, Reliance has done well. And, even the IT stocks are also recovering. So, the next 4 trading session can be very, very exciting, mainly because of Trump, China-US trade deal, and then, expected deal with India, Fed meeting, and many other things. So the market is very, very dynamic and just moving all over the places. So better not to have positions in the short term and keep it in the medium term to long term. So as I told you, look at the December 28,000 call option is still trading so actively, and the two trading with a good premium. So I think, like 24,000 to 28,000 may be the range for the next 2 months. And still the premiums are really very, very good. So short term, it's going to be it's a bit difficult. Markets can go anywhere. So the FII data is still not out, but looking at the things, so probably it may be selling by domestic institution. So that's what I'm guessing. So let's wait for the FII data to come out. So overall, as I told you, the last 2 days what has happened is just a profit booking after a 6% rally. Technically, this market is still long. So every fall is a buying opportunity. So that is how I see this market. In addition to this, one good news for traders, especially trading an expiry day, now monthly options are being introduced in gold and silver. So in MCX. So when this, it's already there actually, but it is not a monthly expiry, but now they are planning a monthly expiry. So because of this, MCX has shot up more than 300 rupees. In fact, on Friday, it fell more than 200 rupees. Today, shot up more than 300 rupees. So this stock MCX has been very, very volatile, but very, very volatile. That's why the option premiums are also very, very lucrative. The stock, anyway, it has shot up nearly 50% in the last 6 months. And just in the last 1 month alone, I think it has shot up about 15%. So one of my friends, he bought the shares at around 8,000 rupees just 2-3 weeks before. And now the price has gone up so much. So it's an expected line. So we will see tomorrow what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.